Hello, in this tutorial we learn how to mirror entities. We have here the sketch. To mirror it, go to center line. Okay. Go to the mirror tool, select entities to mirror. Mirror about, for example, in this line. Okay. Here we have two copies. If you want just mirror it, Ctrl Z, mirror, unselected copy, mirror about this line, just mirror. Okay, we have another option to mirror. Mirror tool, select mirror about and select copy about, for example, this line. Here we have this. Now the second thing in this tutorial, it's linear sketch pattern. Here we have this sketch. Go to the linear sketch pattern tool. Here the space between the sketch, for example 150 millimeters, select the sketch. Okay, from this point to this point, space, the no, for example 10. Here the row, okay, and the column 10. Here the space of the column 150 again. Here we have linear sketch pattern. This 10 row, 10 column. Just that in this tutorial. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. You can also visit my blog for more. You can also watch the previous tutorial